Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl NJLoves and I'm here today with a whole new video for you. So today's video is going to be planner related. I have a collection of goodies that I received recently. For you are interested in doing some international shopping and you are concerned about maybe customs fees and shipping costs adding up, then do check out the link I'm going to provide in the description box. I'm using Stackry as a shipping company. This has been a game changer for me. Now, I haven't so far paid any customs fees and all of my orders have come through in a very timely manner. So I will link the details below and you can get some money off your first order if you're new to shopping or shipping via Stackry. So without further ado, if planners, stickers, stationery and all of that fun stuff is something you're into, keep on watching guys. Grab a drink or refreshment of your choice. This may be a slightly lengthy one, and I just want to flag that my nails aren't done, so do excuse the very basic look we're going for right now. But I digress. I'm going to start off with cloth and paper. Now, you'll know about this clip, which is the cloth and paper and Ollie Block collaboration, and they've released some limited edition clips. These did sell out and luckily they had reissued them, so I was able to grab the one that I haven't got, which is Prosecco, and I absolutely love it. I've taken it out of the packaging already, and this here is the clip. It is super pretty. It's, and excuse my nails, they're like horrific right now. But this is how it looks. So you've got the option of using it this way or you can use it this way, whichever way you like. And I'm very glad that I have this one in the collection, and I'll show you the other one in a second. In fact, let me see if I've got it. Okay, so this is the other one, which I believe is the avocado or I can't pronounce it, but you can see here the two very neutral tones that they're offering. Very pretty, and I'm glad that I've got these two. I've got some other things. So this mocha arrow sticky note, which is very nice. It's a matte color. It's definitely not transparent, but very cute. Because I placed two orders separately, these are the freebie cards I got. This translated means follow your own road and let the people talk. So cute, love it. I then picked up this dashboard here, which is, again, I really like the design. This is transparent. I'll open this up. Okay, so this is how it looks. I think it is a really stylish dashboard. In terms of what it says, your mind believes everything you tell it, and that just is repeated throughout. And then it's got this circle here, which you can put a sticky note on. And I'll test it out with one of these that I got in one of these subscription boxes. I really love this color. So let's see, this should fit the circle. And it does. How pretty is that? So very nice. Love this. So then I also picked it up exactly the same in the A5 because I have a habit of doing that. If I see something I really like, I think, oh, let me get this for the A5 too. So I have that. In fact, I'll open this up so you can see which size sticky note will fit in this circle. Again, this is very stylish. I love it. So based on the size of this circle, I'm going to try out this sticky note, which I think is pretty much the right size. This is also from cloth and paper. This is something I bought quite some time ago. So again, I'll just take this. And there you have it. Very nice, and it creates a similar kind of vibe to this one here. So definitely a fan of those, love it. The other things I picked up during the happy hours that they've had is this dashboard. And obviously, as you can see, this is in the pocket size. And then I really love the simplicity of this, and it says beauty is in the way you hold yourself, and I just think this is very very nice and will look very stylish. So there's this one here, and it's a nice smooth kind of waxy dashboard. I then picked up one more for my pocket. And see, the problem I have is that I'm seeing all of these dashboards. I love them, but now it means I have to trade out or switch out the inserts I have in my planner so that I can make them all fit or kind of utilize them. So I really like this design as well. This was one of their subscription boxes that I wasn't subscribed to. So I really like this, Own Your Own Story. So next up, I picked up some undated weeklies, and I've wanted these for a while, but they were sold out. So I was very glad when these restocked. And obviously these are in pocket size, so I'll definitely be using these in my pocket planner. But these are super cute. Look at this. Week of. I love the grid box design. Then you've got a section here where you can put like some memos, priorities, and notes for the following week. So super, super cute. Love it. And then the very last thing that I picked up from Cloth and Paper was the balance dashboard. And again, this has been sold out for a while. So when it re-released, I had to scoop it up and add it to my Stackry haul. So here we go. I will open this up, grab some scissors. Love this. It's got a protective film on it, so when I take that off it will reveal the like true glass effect. So let's do that. Oh, here we go. Ah, just look at that. It is absolutely beautiful. So now it's completely see-through and clear and looks stunning. So yeah, I'll definitely be putting this in my planner as soon as I finished showing you guys everything. So this is really, really nice. I love it. So this is Cloth and Paper, and let's keep the show going. So next up, I'm going to share with you the another order that I have made with Lucy Plans Life. So first things first, let's start off with these adorable sticky notes, or post-it notes as we call them over here. These were a set of 3. And the reason that I really, really like these is because they will fit perfectly in my pocket planner, on like my inbox dashboards, and really just overall any inserts that I am using pocket size. So these are just adorable. They're actually a bit smaller than I thought they were going to be. Again, as I keep saying but never do, it's good to check the measurements. I had thought that maybe it would be like this kind of size, but yeah, they are a lot smaller, but super cute, and I'm sure I will find a way to utilize them. So yeah, really, really love these. And then as well, I wanted to get more of a monochrome kind of effect as well, so I picked up these 2. So I went for the stickies, and then also I wanted to get myself a few more of the clips because I am a fan, as you guys know. So the first clip that I'm going to show you is this one here. Like, look at this, guys. It's so cute. It really, really is. And it's in a felt material, as you can see, and it's red with the gold clips. So very nice. I then wanted to pick up these 2 as well because again, I saw it and thought adorable. Like, how can I not? So I added these as well. And then the last one is bow, which is like really, really lovely as well. So this is it. Super cute, adorable. Like, how can you not love this? So this comes in a variety of different colors, as do these, but I wanted to stick with something quite neutral, as this is like a pop of color, and these are also quite neutral as well. So okay, so up next I'm going to share another order which I really like the items, QueenCityDesigns Co. So this is one of the journaling cards I picked up that I just thought was really, really nice. This is one of the cards I had on my to get list, and I love this. It's like a really nice smooth card with that foil, as you can see. and you can see what it says. Very, very cute. I then also picked up this, which is self-care ideas on a journaling card. So it's like this at the front and it's just plain at the back. And then I picked up, in fact, I've already put in my planner, like, so let me show you what else. I picked up this card as well that says give yourself credit, and I just think it's really nice as well. It says you are worth it. And this is and this comes in a variety of different colors as well. And then I got a ton of freebies, which I was surprised at, and always love a good freebie. So this was one. Okay, this was another. This one as well, love this, so pretty. This one, love. And then this one as well, which is actually her business card. Really, really a fan of QueenCityDesigns Co. Okay, so next up, I'm going to share with you an order I picked up from MomPlansXO, which is here. And I picked up a few of the journaling cards. This was a freebie, so this is right up my street. My love of coffee. This is very, very nice. So I got this card, which I've seen a lot and really wanted to have. So this is very, very nice. Love the white font. I then also picked this one up as well. And this is like a nudie kind of color tone. And I love the script font here, very, very nice. And then in keeping with the coffee theme, I also got the coffee card as well. And then this is just the thank you card. So small but very, very nice order from MomPlansXO. Okay, so just two more to go. So next up, I'll show you what I picked up from Poi Hun. First up, I picked up the washi, which is the slim washi in the white grid. And this is very, very nice. I've got the thicker version of this, not from Poi Hun, but from another shop, but it's nice to have the slimmer version also. This was a freebie, and it's a spring cleaning card, and it's very nice. I then got the April card and also May, so very glad I've got May because April is pretty much finished. So yes, I've got this for the upcoming month, which is great. But the main reason for my purchase was I saw she was doing this sticker album, which I thought was a fantastic idea, really, really cool concept. Now these discs are actually something that I picked up from an Etsy shop, and I will tag the Etsy shop, probably insert it in this this video so that you can know where to pick this up from. But how lovely are these discs, and how massive are these? Now in terms of what came with the album, these, can you see the difference? Look how small that is. Now whilst all of this did fit on this really, really small disc, I wanted to be able to expand this over time so that I could fit more stickers in here as and when I need to. But the album came with 15 inserts that look like this. So 15 of these, the front cover, obviously the discs, and the back as well. But you have the option, which is where I feel like this is genius, you have the option of adding in additional inserts that are like this. So top loading, this is top loading with like one big sheet. Gone ahead and I've put loads of the sticker sheets I have in here. So I've actually doubled to have 2 in each of the pockets. And I just think it not only looks great, it's a perfect way of being able to see everything you have, keep an eye on what's running low, and yeah, just have things organized. So definitely recommend this from Poi Hun. And I love the fact that you can expand and make this as big as you need it to be. So that is my Poi Hun order. Okay, last but definitely not least, I have another order from one of my favorite UK shops, and that is SaltyTwentyTwo. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen me show you some of the things I picked up when they arrived. So again, I got this card, which is a really nice journaling card, really pretty. Look at that. That's a freebie. I then picked up this dashboard, which actually is 2 vellums, guys, and it's 2 because the idea, I believe, is to make it look more in depth. So that's why you've got like this layering effect, but I am planning on using this as 2 separate dashboards throughout my planner. So I have this, I have it in the larger size as well. So if you'd seen any of my Instagram posts, you will definitely have seen that feature, and I'll show it to you now in the larger size as well. Let me zoom out so you can see. I mean, look at that, guys. How freaking dope is that? And this is just one, okay? So I haven't got the 2 laid here. I have one here and I have the other one here. So totally in love with that. Vellum as well is a really nice thick vellum, very good quality. So I absolutely love this. And again, I'll just show it here so you can see in a bit more detail. Okay, so I picked that up in Pocket. I then also picked this up as well, which is another one of her new dashboards. I believe most of the stuff when it restocked or launched sold out quite quickly, and then there was like a mini restock and I was able to pick up a few bits. So this is the other one, and again I have this in the larger one in my A5 as well. So I have it in Pocket and A5. But the main reason that I wanted to make another purchase from SaltyTwentyTwo was because I wanted to get some new dividers for my A5 planner. I love the dividers that I have in the Pocket. Okay, so these are the side tabs that I got, and I just absolutely am in love with these. So you get 8. Okay, and I'll try and pull the 8th one up. There we go. Money matters right there. I am planning on doing a flip of my A5 because it is pretty much set up now, and is in full swing. So as soon as I have the time, I will do that and I'll show you guys. But yes, I picked up the dividers, and I also, just so that I am showing you everything, I picked up this agenda card as well. This is a really thick cardstock, but look at this. Look at the design at the back. Oof, beautiful. Very pretty, and it goes so well with the aesthetic of my planner. So this, I plan on maybe putting some post-it cards on here, post-it notes, and just writing. It's like a mini inbox. So this is lovely. Oh, and then this was a lovely freebie, so thank you so much. I really love this. It's so pretty. Look at the design. I'm a big fan of the etched work that she does, so thank you, Josie. Absolutely lovely. Okay, so guys, that is everything. I feel like I was talking a lot, but I had lots to share with you, so I hope you've enjoyed. Please do make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll be back with some new videos for you very soon. The next one will probably be something maybe luxury related, because I know I've been doing a lot of plannery related videos and like planner goods, but I feel like that's what the majority of you guys like, so I want to make sure that I'm keeping you all happy. Feel free to suggest anything that you want to see, and yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye.